Well, a rally today in Westchester over reopening schools. Parents in White Plains demanding that districts start moving toward the return of full in-person learning. This comes as the head of the CDC now says it's safe to bring students and staff back into buildings even before all teachers are vaccinated.
Our Richard Giacobas has more on the new guidance and the fight to reopen.
Months after school teachers were put into the frontline essential workers category to be among the first to get the COVID-19 vaccine, turns out some experts believe if mitigating measures are in place, those teachers may not need the shot for schools to reopen.
If we have the funding to do the proper mitigation measures as is put forth in the American Rescue Plan, that we can reopen schools safely even if all of the teachers are not vaccinated.
That was CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky on Rachel Maddow Wednesday night, doubling down on her stance that teachers do not need to get vaccinated against the deadly virus prior to schools reopening.
Schools should be the last thing to close and the first thing to open.
A study from the CDC last month found little evidence of COVID-19 spreading in schools within the United States and abroad, as long as proper safety precautions were taken. That includes mask wearing, social distancing, and proper ventilation in classrooms. Meanwhile, dozens of parents gathering in White Plains on Thursday for an open Westchester schools rally. Moms and dads holding signs with their kids, pleading with districts to consider reopening school full time.
My challenge to the districts is to get their reopening plans at least within a year. You had a year to plan, so let's see it.
The doctors are saying it's time. Parents are saying it's time. You know, we've been suffering a lot.
There are currently only 4 Hudson Valley school districts that have been full-time in-person learning since September. Dozens of others, according to these parents, don't even have a plan for reopening in place. They're now counting on the CDC to release official guidance on those teachers getting back into the classroom without being vaccinated. The CDC director says the guidance could come soon. We're in White Plains. Richard Giacobas, Fox 5 News.